ChatGPT has introduced ChatGPT Vision. Here you can upload any image and ask anything about the uploaded image. Also, you can generate codes from an uploaded mockup image. In this video, you will learn what you can do using ChatGPT Vision. First, I will upload a normal picture and ask ChatGPT to explain this image. It says, this is a woman wearing a white t-shirt in a cafe using a tablet. It can understand what is in the bag, also the coffee cup and other stuff. You see how much it understands the image and explains it. This time, first I will capture the screenshot of this Google homepage and I will save it and upload the screenshot to ChatGPT, and I will ask where to click to log into Gmail. I want to see if it can read the small details on this image. It says click on the sign in button. Here is the sign in button. I will try another trick. This time I will highlight the images link with my screen capture tool and save the capture. I will upload the image. I asked ChatGPT if I should click on this images link, although it already told me to click on the sign in button. I want to see if it can read the highlighted area. And you can see it understands that I have highlighted the images and it says click on the sign in button at the right side of the highlighted section. You see how smart it is. It can understand the tiny stuff. Now I will upload a chart. I have a sample chart here. I asked ChatGPT to explain the chart. You can see after reading the chart, it created an excellent summary. You see it says where is the notable trends, what is the zero lines, data lines, and all the other stuff. I have this handwritten mockup of a web page. Here's the logo, here's the menu section, here is the text, subscribe to the channel. I have a search text box with the placeholder search for videos and a button with the text subscribe. I will upload this image and ask ChatGPT to convert this handwritten mockup into a web page. After uploading the image, I asked to write HTML code to create a similar web page. You can see the handwritten mockup here. Now it is generating the HTML code. The code is ready. Let's try the code. I'll save the code. You can see here side by side. I uploaded this handwritten mockup and this is the page ChatGPT generated for us. Here you can see the code. It read and generated the code accordingly. I only asked to generate HTML. If I have asked to generate CSS, JavaScript, it could easily do that. But I just wanted to see if it can read the handwritten texts. I have this bill from a restaurant. I'll upload the bill to ChatGPT and ask it to give the details of the items and prices from the bill. You can see the bill is a little old, so some of the texts are faded. I just want to see if it can read and understand this. You can see that it read and mentioned what we have asked, the item names and the prices. Even the text is faded on the uploaded image. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can comment down your feedback and suggestions. Thank you.